Welcome to Timeless Wisdom. Today, we're exploring why sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is absolutely nothing. Let's delve into the effectiveness of the no contact rule and how it might just be the game changer you need. Many people believe that to make someone miss you or reconsider their decisions, you need to stay in constant touch, send frequent messages, or remind them of your presence. However, what if the strongest action you could take was to simply step back? This approach, often called the no contact rule, tends to work far better than most anticipate. It completely shifts the power dynamic, making the other person feel your absence in unexpectedly profound ways. When you stop reaching out, a fascinating thing occurs. People naturally crave what they cannot have. Removing yourself from someone's life triggers their mind to work against them. They start questioning your silence with thoughts like, did they move on? Or, are they happier without me? This uncertainty breeds curiosity, which ironically can make them think of you even more than when you were present. No contact also alters how you are perceived. Constant communication can make you appear desperate, needy, or overly available. By stepping back, you display self-respect and confidence. You communicate a silent yet powerful message. I am perfectly fine without you. This energy is incredibly attractive and often prompts a re-evaluation of their choices as you transition from the pursuer to the one being pursued. Furthermore, no contact allows emotions to settle. In the aftermath of a breakup or fallout, emotions are heightened, and the focus often lies on the negatives. Continued attempts at contact can lead to further arguments and tension. But when you withdraw, the focus shifts away from these negatives. They begin to recall the good times, happy memories, and initial attractions, fostering a natural shift in perception. But only if you provide the space for these feelings to surface. However, no contact isn't just about influencing the other person. It's also about self-discovery. It offers you the opportunity to heal, grow, and regain your confidence. Instead of obsessing over the other's actions, you turn the focus inward, becoming stronger, happier, and more independent. Ironically, the moment you cease seeking someone else's validation is often when you become your most attractive self. The most impactful aspect of no contact is that it compels the other person to make a decision. Left to ponder your absence, they face two choices: recognize your worth and return, or move on. Either outcome is informative. If they come back, it's because they genuinely missed you. If not, you avoid further wasting time on someone not destined to remain in your life. People often undervalue the power of silence, mistakenly believing they need to articulate their feelings or prove their worth to rekindle interest. Yet, in truth, nothing speaks louder than absence. Walking away allows the other person to experience life without you, often leading them to realize just how significant you were. Thank you for watching Timeless Wisdom. Remember, sometimes the strongest message is conveyed not through words, but through the eloquent silence of absence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it resonated with you. Until next time, take care and keep embracing your journey.